What's up everyone? So today's gonna be a pretty interesting day. As you can see from the title, I'm taking a drill to my brand new Tacoma. So we are finishing up the installation of the Victory 4x4 rock sliders. Hopefully you guys saw the installation video of that. You can either bolt these on as they are right now and use them as a step, or you can actually drill through the frame to make them a little more supportive for off-road and heavy off-road use. We already went ahead and did the passenger side. So if you can see that silver bolt and the one in the back, those are those two on that side. We need to go ahead and do the driver's side. It's a little bit harder to do. That's why we did the passenger side first. First time I've ever drilled into a vehicle, so this is kind of interesting, learning some new things along the way. All right, so the tools for this project, I think this is a 7/16 drill bit. I have some protective kind of sleeves because that metal is coming up in big chunks. It's hot, so that's why you need the right tools. We're not really, so doing the passenger side, we didn't really go through that much of the tip. You know, it's worn.
Was that a new drill bit or?
No, it was not brand new. We got a punch that we were using to just give us a better lineup for the drill bit, and then of course the socket set for the bolts. This electronic, I think I just said electronics box. I don't think it has anything to do with the four-wheel drive.
Could be like,
to be honest, I
don't know, brake sensor or something.
Yeah, there's brake cables that run right along the side, so yeah, so it's not that hard to take off. There's two sockets. All right, so if we remove that box, we can kind of let it hang, and now there's nothing above. I might need you to hold it to the side or something.
Yeah. Because
now we got about 1/4 inch to drill through, you guys. How long do you think I was down there per screw?
A good 10-15 minutes of drilling.
Really?
I don't know, maybe 5.
All right. So they're not going to be able to see until we drill the hole. They can get a better view of that.
Yeah.
But yeah, so there's that hole. Then there's this one in the back side. Hey, we're right next to the gas tank.
Perfect.
Lovely.
Well, it's got a case.
But there's nothing above this one, so we're good. So you guys are going to see me get dressed up, and it's going to rain shards of metal.
Fun.
Should be fun.
Fun.
Hot metal, sharp, jagged. And then, of course, you have to have the cool off-brand Oakleys. We'll call them that, right?
Not paid sponsorship.
Not paid, no, because our real Oakleys are awesome.
Although Oakley, if you want to hook us up.
This is what I've come up with because it's an awkward angle to drill up into. I got one blanket for padding because that drill into your chest gets a little annoying. And then a lovely little carpet thing here to... Ooh. Can you help me with the lineup?
That's pretty good.
Am I straight up? Right here?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. I've also learned not to hold the gun with my other hand.
Yeah.
Just do this. It gives me better leverage, but then I don't get a cramp in my thumb.
Is that through?
Oh, man. Woo! I just don't like how far left it is. Man, that's a lot of work. Mainly because I'm upside down. Almost there, we're like halfway. You wouldn't think this takes that much out of you.
Yeah, the drill's doing all the work.
I know, right? I'm just sitting here doing the trigger. So with that punched all the way through, I'm gonna try to show you guys the depth of that. Let me just get the camera zoomed in a little bit. It's a little over 1/4 inch, if you guys can see that. So definitely took a good bit of the power drill to get it through there. So now, as I get that chunk of metal out of my hair, I've got my bolt with the small washer. If you can see this gold washer here, I'm not using those large ones if you saw the install video. I'm just gonna put this one straight up through here and put that nut on the backside. Brian, I need your help. I need another hand, please. So I already showed him this, putting the bolt up and through. Just gonna take the nut, of course, on the backside. So actually that nut is going to be hidden. There we go. So yep, now I just gotta crank this down. And this one will be all set to go. I will check these, the tightness of these, at some point, probably in a week or so, just to check them. So now this box can go back up. It is safely unharmed. All right, and then so those are the little ones. You can show them up here. So I don't know what this is.
It's a module.
But it's got some module, yeah, a bunch of electronics hooked up to it. Well, here's the underside of, I'm at just past 7,000 miles on this. Oh, woof. What? That's hot on your neck.
Yeah.
Woo! Hey, you know what, Bri?
Yeah.
I'm almost through. This is the quickest side, quickest one. Oh, I'm running out of steam here. Oh boy. More than halfway. Why is the last one the hardest one?
Because the drill's about to die.
It should be the easiest one. Larger shards are coming out.
Oh, good.
I'm right there.
Watch out when I... Yeah.
Oh, so you guys missed that. I was trying to bore the hole out just a little bit because I can't get the bolt to fit, and like I can't. It's just I'm gonna have to get another bolt. Like it won't even go through. I don't know what's different about that hole than the other ones.
Did this get so worn down that it's a smaller diameter now?
I don't know, but have you guys ever done that? That's the first time I've done that.
That's the biggest one I think we've ever broken.
Well,
Let's
have to go buy a new one, which is okay, but oh, that was scary. I wish that was on film.
Yeah, it was a loud noise.
All right, so the rock sliders are all completed. We just moved the truck around because we're gonna move on to the back side, but that was a good bit of work. Maybe a little over an hour.
I mean, you're talking about this thick of steel.
Yeah, so it was a good bit, and then obviously saw it breaking a bit. I have no idea how that happened, but it is what it is. Two things we're gonna work on the back. I want to take off the V6 badge. It's the only piece of chrome left, aside from the side badges that have the blue on it, which kind of looks cool. And then the exhaust here is actually rubbing right here. If you can see that piece, it's a very loud rattle. You can hear it in the cab. It's very annoying. So we're gonna do our best to get an angle grinder in there. What is that?
Sounds like a gas-powered car.
I know. Look at Maddie. He's like, what is that? Make sure the on switch is off. Any idiot knows that. Watch it be on.
That'd be funny.
Yeah, it would.
I think kind of just want to go up, but you don't want it to kick back at you, of course.
We'll do a test here, obviously, of it on. What did we use this for last?
We used it to cut stones for the wall in the back.
Should I run it a little bit?
Real quick.
Now, should I try to clean that corner up?
Yeah, try to round it a little bit, and then we'll take some rust paint on it.
All right. So now we're just gonna take some flat black Rust-Oleum, hit that bare metal. That way we don't get any rust, or try to avoid as much rust as possible. You wanna do it?
Sure.
I'm gonna let Bri do it. If you guys haven't seen yet, we worked on the wheels on his car. I'm the muscle over there. He's the pain over here.
Those were on.
They were on hard. Make sure you guys watch that video.
I believe 98 pound of torque.
It'll be down below. That's why there's two of us, because we help each other out. All right, well, why don't we move on to the badge and we can hit it again.
All right.
Time to get this off. I'm gonna use the heat gun. A nice trick to use is fishing line.
And gloves.
With gloves, because you don't wanna put that through your fingers. And yeah, we'll get that up. I think it'll clean up the back of this, because it's just chrome sticking out there by itself.
So while he's heating that up real quick, I know half of you absolutely hate this black, but think of the functionality. There's a lot of scratches all in it that are not on the brand new paint. I mean, there's some chips and all sorts of stuff, but brand new car, beautiful paint. Why not limit the scratches? And I think it looks pretty cool.
Hey,
I definitely like it.
we should tell them how many people that took. I'm a part of a page on, I'm a part of a Tacoma page on Facebook. A lot of people have done this, and I want to say it's because they saw my video.
Yeah.
Because it has, over 20,000 views.
And
A
yeah.
lot of Tacoma people are doing that. They're also doing this, but a lot of them are making this blue black and the black blue. Like leaving the bottom and flipping it.
Kind of like how the new Fords have their limited or platinum tailgates.
I don't know how I like that as much, but a lot of people are doing this black combo. And honestly, I think it works well. It saves on a lot of the scratches, but a lot of comments are like, you're taking it off-road, don't get it, or why are you worrying about it getting scratched taken off-road? Well, I want to keep my truck in good shape.
And have fun with it.
And have fun with it and protect it. So it's like clear wrapping the front of the GTR or the R8. You want to have fun with it, but you don't want to rock boat down the highway hitting it.
Yeah.
And scratching it, so.
Yeah.
I think that's good. I've been like 2 minutes.
Yeah, I think you needed a longer piece.
Well, it's working.
All right. You're basically just cutting the foam of the adhesive.
Oh crap, I lost it.
Like it's a saw blade.
Oh, you know what? I think we need to heat it up more. Peel it off, but I don't want to bend anything or...
On the fishing line might be ripping now.
Yeah. Well, I did a good job at getting none of the adhesive on the badge. I want to say something, but I don't want to jinx myself at the same time because holy crap.
Yeah.
This is going very well. I've never been able to do that. Well, yeah. If they're wondering why I keep moving my hand, heat gun is hot. And
I can see the red hot in here.
Yeah, I want to keep it going, so. Why can't we do this like on the Genesis coupe badge removals and
my car,
your car, and what else have we done?
My fender flares on the Z.
Yeah. Now, how much of this do we normally use? Because the adhesive came off like that. How quickly will this come off? Or that residue?
Kind of depends. We just gotta let it soak a little bit.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that finishes up today's project. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just kind of doing a couple minor things to it, finishing up the rock rail installation, fixing that rattle in the exhaust. It was just driving me crazy. And then cleaning up the rear again, just taking off the badge. So little projects here and there, finishing up the truck, getting it closer to the way I like it, and also getting it ready for the lift and tires. That is coming very soon. I hope you guys subscribe to stay tuned for that. I can't wait to get a little more height with this, just to give it more of an aggressive look as well. It's gonna be really cool. I can't wait for that again. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos of the Tacoma, more on the GTR, more on the R8. I'll see you guys next video.